This is a test of frequency instruments, bass, drums, distortion.
Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to clean your mobile phone with hand sanitizer. But first you're going to need to have a microfiber cloth. The reason why you have a microfiber cloth, and these are the cloths you can find for any glasses in a glass case, or sometimes they come with your mobile phone covers. The reason why a microfiber glass covering dust rag is better than normal tissue is because first and foremost the tissue is going to soak up and saturate with all your alcohol gel. Secondly, this one acts very complementary with the sanitizer. It's got a nice rough surface that picks up any dust that you want to get done. So this is the best thing to do is a microfiber dust rag. Okie dokie, here we go. And also, you got your hand sanitizer. It can come in gel form or spray form. I prefer the gel form. Only thing is though, sometimes it can be messy. So don't make sure you don't put too much in gel. And make sure guys, most importantly, you don't put any gel in the sockets. Charging socket, headphone socket, volume socket, or any other socket you got going on over here on this mobile phone. It's great beauty here, because otherwise it could invalidate your warranty. And we don't want to invalidate your warranty that comes on the phone, because they're going to tell you that your phone is liquid damaged. Okie dokie, let's go ahead and detox this phone from any germs and viruses with alcohol gel. And there you have it. That now is germ free. But remember guys also that, let's be real here, although you cleaned it now, the moment you touch it, you're now putting those germs all over the phone again. So basically, you gotta practice clean your phone, but also practicing good hand hygiene, and also just not leave your phone all over the place. Because you leave your phone anywhere, on the side, at work, or at home, you're liable to get some sort of germs or infection on that anyway. So it's good practice just to make good hand hygiene anyway, as well as good phone hygiene, and also good toilet hygiene. In fact, guys, just be more hygienic in general. Watch what you're doing, watch how you're living, watch how you go around you every single day. Because most people, unfortunately, it's not just about hand hygiene, their overall hygiene in general is out of this world. Phenomenal. Stop it. We need to stop this and get clean. Okay, guys, you have a great day now. You hear?